Have you ever wondered what exactly is the amount of sleep you need per day or the amount of hours you are required to be sleeping every day? Doctors advise us to take at least 8 hours per day. Now, according to Elon Musk, 6 hours is perfect for him.
How much sleep do you get, by the way?
About 6 hours.
You do? 6 hours typically?
Yes.
You had that. Now, it's a well-known fact that Albert Einstein reportedly slept for 10 hours each day. So if you hear all this alone, it will get you confused. So in this video, I'll be educating you on what will actually happen to you in the next 10 to 30 years if you have to be sleeping for 6, 8, 7, 9, or even 4 hours per day. Alright, so stay tuned. Now, it is important for you to understand that in choosing a particular time you want to be sleeping a day, you need to understand what works for you. Okay, you need to ask yourself questions like, do I get headaches each time I sleep for 4 hours? All right, do I end up getting less done each time I sleep for less than 8 hours? Or do I get more tired or wearier if I sleep more than 8 hours? These are the questions you need to ask yourself in choosing a particular time you want to be sleeping per day. Now, some might say, oh, I need 13 hours of sleep per day. If I should get at least 13 hours of sleep every day, it will really help me to get better. Now, we are going to do some mathematics here, and so that you'll be able to understand what will actually happen if you are sleeping 13 or even 8 hours every day. Let's say you sleep 8 hours every day. Every day you sleep 8 hours. Okay? So if you do the mathematics in a year, which is 365 days, you end up sleeping for 121 days out of the 365 days you have. That means you were able to maximize the rest, and you spent 121 days on sleeping. Alright, if you calculate it in the next 30 years, 8 hours in the next 30 years, you end up sleeping for 10 years of your life. Do you see how big it is? So it's 10 years what you will want to waste by sleeping. You can take out 6 hours, 4 hours to see what it gives you. Now, when we have realized these things, we ought to understand that by no means are we expected to sleep 10 hours or 8 hours every day. Some people might say, oh, you have told us that we don't need 8 hours of sleep a day, or if we sleep for 8 hours every day, we'll end up sleeping for 10 years of our life in the next 30 years. But you have not actually told us what we should do or what we are required to do in order to stay awake, because most people find it difficult to stay awake at night. Okay, I'll be uploading a video soon in which I'll be explaining how you can be able to stay up at night. Alright, so you might want to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell in order to get notified anytime I upload the video. So tell me, how many years of your life are you comfortable wasting? Go on, comment below. Tell me how many hours of sleep you're going to train yourself to be getting each day.